Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Melissa. Thank you so much for stopping by. So as the weather is getting cooler, I like to make more soups and stuff. So I thought I'd share a recipe with you today for a roasted vegetable soup. You can use whatever kind of vegetables you got lying around, but today I'm using some bell peppers and some onion, celery, carrots, and potato. And we're just gonna roughly chop up everything. It doesn't have to be perfect and it doesn't have to be super small. We're just chopping this up so it can be roasted in the oven, and then once it's all done and we make our soup, we're going to be using an immersion blender at the end to kind of puree everything. So I'm just going to chop everything up here and then get on to the rest of the recipe. And now that all of the veggies are chopped up, we're going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes and just let everything roast. And now that it's all done, we're going to add it all to our stock pot before we add our other ingredients. Alright, so first we're going to start with a can of tomato paste. This is like I think a 8-ounce can, or it might be 4-ounce can, I'm not really sure, but it's the small one. And then two 32-ounce boxes of chicken broth, and I'm just adding some to my tomato paste can just to get the rest off the sides because it's very thick. And then we're going to pour the rest into the stock pot. And then after that, we're going to add our favorite spices. So I'm just doing a little bit of pepper, and I will add some salt as well. And if you want, you can add onion powder and garlic powder and all that, but I'm just not doing that today. And then we're going to simmer this on the stove for about 30 minutes just to make sure everything is nicely cooked through. And now it's time to use our immersion blender and puree the crap out of this. Once our soup is mostly pureed, we're going to add in some butter. I've got about 3 tablespoons of butter there, and we're also going to add in some half and half. You can use heavy whipping cream if you like, but I'm using about 3/4 cup of half and half. I like the flavor of it better than heavy whipping cream. And also, I just wanted to let you guys know that if you're interested, I have a link down below for this KitchenAid hand mixer, or it's actually an immersion blender. I really like it. I think it's pretty awesome. This was my first time using it in this video, and I'm very glad I added it to my set of kitchen appliances. So yeah, there'll be a link down below. And even if you don't want to buy one of these, if you have other Amazon purchases to make, if you use any of the links in my videos as you shop on Amazon, it'll give me a little kickback because I am an Amazon associate, and it will be at no extra cost to you. So it really helps me out, it helps the channel out, and yeah. So yeah, it's time to serve this beautiful soup up, and I've just got a little bit of sour cream mixed with half and half here. I mixed it with half and half to make it a little bit easier to pour. And yeah, time to taste. And it tastes absolutely awesome and great for dipping in crackers or like some garlic bread. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and I will see you in the next video.